keeps putting me in stalemate. Like nothing. The queen's not in the line of me, and the king isn't right next to me.
I gotcha.
So
It's just Sophie.
the king can never be right next to me.
Right. But you can get something
Sissy,
right
put
up
pigtails in your hair. You look so pretty.
Get something else right up next to you if the king next to it.
Yeah. I mean, put me in stalemate. Nothing was on me. Twice.
Maddie.
You know,
No one wins.
they play games for weeks
Yeah.
and end up in freaking stalemates.
Like the
Russians. The Russians are really good at chess.
Why are they better?
I don't know. It's just sport.
It's a bigger sport
they
there.
play a lot. That one, what was his name? Russian.
Oh, the one they made the movie about?
Yeah.
I don't remember his name.
He was the one that beat the machine.
Let's go see what Sammy's doing. Let's go see. Oh, she's sleeping.